furnace. Okay, and this is the we call as protective gas box. Yeah, for us to actually this gas box is used when you need to use the protective gas, for example like nitrogen, argon. Yeah, so it depends on what type of parts that customer they want to do hardening, and then they will have their specific gas requirement. Okay, so this is actually the gas inlet. This part is gas inlet. Okay, and this is for the gas outlet. Alright, this is the thermocouple to detect the sample temperature, the inside the protective gas box temperature. Inside actually they have a sensor, thermocouple, to detect the temperature inside. Now we connect the gas connection. Turn the controller on and wait until the furnace chamber temperature is shown in the display. Entering the program. The diagram shows a typical program split into different segments. For this controller P300, we will have 9 programs, and each of the programs will have 40 segments. Entering the program values for each segment by pressing Enter button. If the furnace is to be started later, for example 30 minutes, we can key in 30 minutes for wait segment. If we do not want to wait, just key in the time for waiting 0. The small lamp in the overview diagram shows whether you are in the time segment, time 1, time 2, time 3, or wait, or a temperature segment, T1, T2, T3. When you have entered all times and temperature, press Save button. In the display, you will see the program number. Select the required program number in which the program is to be saved. For example, for this case, we save program 2. Press Save button again, and the program is now saved. For extra functions such as automatic supply A, valve or fan, you can activate it in the time segment. While you are entering the program, in the respective segment, press extra 1. Your selection is confirmed in the display with REL or RE2. When you have entered all the required times and temperature, you can start the furnace with Start button. Press for 2 seconds and the furnace is on, and you can see the heat blinking. You have to stop the program for some reason. You must first press the stop button for a few seconds, about 4 seconds. Otherwise, when you switch the furnace on again, the error message F90 will display on the controller. Please do not switch off a program that is running with directly this button. The samples are using the comb. Open the cover. Now we immerse the sample into the pinching oil bath. For this pinching oil bath, it actually comes with the automatic lifting and lowering function. For the pinching water bath, this is the temperature controller. We can set to the desired temperature that we want. After pinching process, followed by tempering process. process. For tempering temperature, we set at 200 degrees Celsius. For holding 1 hour. Press start button for 2 seconds. Now we put the sample into the tempering furnace. Close the furnace door. This is our temperature limiter controller for safety purpose.